What's up, y'all? It's been such a long time. I'm just gonna hop straight into it. We're doing an unboxing of these lights that I bought for camera, for filming, for photography, for vlogging, for streaming, for whatever you want them to be for. I think these are really good for what they are. They're chargeable lights, and I will say that the cool thing about these is that, once again, they're chargeable, they're USB-C. I'm using one right now. I've had it for a while, but I wanted to get two more for my setup because I don't like plugging in lights. When I plug them in, the setup for like plugging in lights, it's a lot. And granted, the lights are really good in themselves, but this is just so much more convenient, so much quicker, and I have an idea. I'll show you what my setup looks like right now. But anyways, let me just actually unbox one of these and then I'll show you what comes in it. I'll leave the description down below if you're actually interested in purchasing one of these for yourself. They're about $25 each, but I think it's a great price. So two for 50. And yeah, once again, in the description if you're interested. But before we actually unbox this, comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, sweet. So here we go. This is the LED video light from Vijim. Yeah, let's just hop right into it. Let's see. So once again, for $25, I think you're getting a deal here. I think it is definitely well worth it. It comes with a few accessories, and honestly, for the price, the packaging isn't too bad also. So you have your instructions, your simple stuff. It does come with a mount, which actually, I literally just bought a couple of these. I'm blanking the name of these names for this mount, but it comes with that. It comes with the USB-C charging cable. It comes with the actual light. We'll put that to the side. And then it comes with filters, some different colored filters, which is pretty cool. It gives you a lot of just different variants of how you want to set up your lights and whatnot. But that's pretty much what you get. When you break this open, it comes with this really cool diffuser that you can just pop that out. There's the diffuser, and then you have the actual light, and it's very compact. It's small, but you know, it packs a punch. I mean, I'm using it right now, so it's almost the size of my hand. I would say maybe the size of my wallet. Let me double check. So it's a little bigger than a credit card, but once again, it packs a punch. So you have the charging port. You have 4 LED lights that are gonna tell you like how much it's charged and whatnot. I will say the one that I'm currently using, I don't know if the light's broke, but it only shows one light on, but like I know it's completely charged because it's just on for a long time. You have the on switch, you have the dimmer, and then you have your white balance. Pretty much you can change the color to your white balance. You have your screw on the end that you can use it to mount on to something like this, and then put that onto your camera or any other mounts you have. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this on and see if it's alive. Yes, it is alive. So you can see it looks like it's fully charged right now. Yeah, and that's pretty much what it is. I like it a lot. Okay, sweet. So this is pretty much it. I have 2 of them. They are, once again, pretty powerful. If I go ahead and just turn these lights on. Oof. Oh yeah, that is, and then my camera is gonna try to adjust. So pretty good, right? My camera is adjusting properly. We got a good amount of light. And this was the setup that I wanted. One to the left, one to the right. And the cool thing is you can even add a diffuser, like one of the colors, to like add some cool variant. I'll do that actually right now. So if you're gonna add the color filter, you do have to add the diffuser on there to hold it in place. I mean, technically you could probably find a way not to do that, but if I turn that on, it's a red light now. So I can have like a red light to the side, right? To add some, I don't know, extra epicness. And then I'm just gonna let my camera adjust. And it seems it's pretty bright. So if I push it farther away, maybe add this one a little closer. maybe my camera will adjust. Probably won't. I do have the ISO different. I don't know. Anyways, so there's an idea, okay? Let me show you my setup and why I got these. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is my setup. I used to stream a lot. I don't really stream anymore. I haven't really done a lot of content, but yeah, so this is my setup. We got the backdrop, you got the desk. It's a standing desk, 2 monitors. Those LED lights are just for the fun and decoration. But when I get closer, let me show you this. So I use this light right here. Yeah, so I have this ring light that's a cord, and it comes down, and I just turn it on from right about here. Right, turn that on, and that turns on, right? So then I got light coming here, and I come over here, and it's the same thing with this dude. The difference is, when I say the same thing, it's the light. I have a light here. This is chargeable, so I just charge this. The thing is, this dies pretty fast, and yeah, anyways, so that's there. Have the light on that on a mount. Same thing with this one, but this mount is a little different. Whenever I paint my Warhammer stuff, which is Warhammer stuff, I like having the flexibility of moving this and all that. But that's my setup that I have. These two are gonna be replacing those two. I just bought another arm, which is exactly that arm, and I'm gonna replace it for this one. And I'll have a different section or different area in the room to paint my Warhammer things. But yeah, so once again, I got these because I really, really like the chargeability. They're super bright. I'm actually using it right now. My third one, which if I just take it off, this is the third one that I got, but look at that. See, it shows one light, but it's fully charged, which is a funny thing. Anyways. Yeah, so that's the setup. Those two are replacing those two, and then this mount is going to replace that mount. I'm waiting for that one to come in. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much the setup I got going on. And yeah, I think these lights are really worth getting. Once again, $25. You got to recharge them. I don't know the life of the battery. I haven't really tested that out. It says capacity is 3,100 mAh. So you take that for what it means. But yes, I think it's worth getting for any setup. I have 3 tripods, so whenever I'm filming this type of shot for work or just for any other content, instead of having like all these extra lights, I can just have the one mounted there and then these two to the side. So once again, what I'll do is actually right now, the last thing I'll do is I'll turn off all my lights, just leave this one on and kind of show you what it would look like. Sweet, so this is what it looks like without any lights except for the first one. And I have my string lights, but nothing big there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn these two on to give you an idea of what a 3 system would look like. So technically this would be $75, which honestly isn't bad at all. It seems like a lot, I know. For some people maybe, you know, $75 to drop on lights is a lot, especially if you're younger and you don't have that type of cash. But if you can afford, I'm telling you, buy 3 of these. And you could probably, I looked on Amazon the other day for tripods just because I was curious. For y'all, you can buy tripods for like $13, right? So it's like you can have a whole system for around $100, like lighting system. But anyways, I'm gonna turn these 2 lights on. And then my camera will hopefully adjust. The ISO will adjust, question mark. Let me actually fix the ISO myself. Go down, so that's 100. I mean, so that's 100. Let's go to like 250. I mean, 250 is not that bad. So ISO's at 250, frames at 150, f-stop is very low, let's just say that. But this is a really cool shot right now. Anyways, with that being said, it's been an honor, a privilege. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you're gonna get them. I mean, I don't need to know anything else because let's be real. Are you gonna get these lights? Yes or no? If you are, great. If not, no worries. What lighting system do you use? If you don't use any lighting system, but you're just commenting no, then Cool, bro. All right, y'all, have a good one. Until next time, cheers, be blessed, goodbye. Yo, we got one of the lights set up. Let's get it, boy. And once again, the other one would be like on that side, but all right, cheers.